Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Outgrow with MailerLite. It's easy to follow along, and if you'd like, there's a link in the description below that you can use to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, go to the Outgrow website and log in. Then, navigate to the Connections section. Click here and search for MailerLite. Once you find it, click on MailerLite. Next, click on Create Campaign, then Create Connection. Now head over to your MailerLite account, copy the API key, and paste it into the designated field on Outgrow. Then copy the name and paste it here. Click Save, and you're done. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thank you for watching our videos. We truly appreciate your support.